What are the cool things that happen in here that we can be on the lookout for?
Thank goodness you made it. I was about to sit down and have you serve us.
We're nearly walking the plank.
I know, and you know, look, we go to the same bar apparently. I like
Did
it.
you a margarita?
Yeah, okay.
A margarita. Do you want a soft drink as well?
Yes, please. I'll have a...
What would you like?
What have you got?
Coke, Diet Coke and Coke Zero. I have Sprite. I have Fanta Orange. I have lemonade.
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Okay, that's not a soft drink. That's water. All right, wasting my time here. That's what I'm infamous for. All right, so listen, I'm going to leave one menu here just in case you want to look at that, anyone here, all right?
Thank you.
All right, kids. Well, if you need anything, once again, I'm infamous. Hello. I'm infamous right around here, all right?
Want to get out that wall, my friend?
Yeah, go on then. Outside.
How are you doing?
Ahoy there. Ahoy, mates. I hope everything's ship-shape out here. Do let the tavern crew know if you need anything. Oh, and don't be alarmed by that giant anchor above you in the middle. I hung it myself. Yeah, keep it to yourself, you sturdy scum. Drink up, me hearties. Surrender, Captain Jack Sparrow. For my thunder will burn the
Tell him, Carlos, don't be cheating.
I am not chicken. I will not.
Anchor now, you smutters. What may I offer for these marches? Here I want an anchor. Hey there, you bilge rat.
Quit your clucking. The gentleman wants the round. Don't you, boy?
Now, you scurvy scum. Do I hear 10? A hen for a 10.
10? I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
Pipe down, you lily-livered lubber.
Strike your feathers, dude. Show 'em your slot.
Captain Jack Sparrow's face. When the ears stand, 'tis only me what's got the goods. Keep still. I'm studying me map. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never hear. Nor this here key. sea. Salute. Rascals and scoundrels, villains and knaves, the only yo ho. The devils and black sheep are really bad eggs.